Let's make this dark purpley maroon using CrystaLac's FlipNAwesome paints. That's right, no pigment needed. For this color, we're going to mix together crimson red and bluebird, and you can actually see the development of 3 different shades as I gradually mix my ratios until I get the color that I want. I started with 1 teaspoon of crimson and added a ½ teaspoon of bluebird and mixed it well. It made this wonderful deep purple, so here is a bonus recipe. Mix 2 teaspoons crimson and 1 teaspoon bluebird to get a 1 ounce batch of this dark purple. Since I need more of a reddish color, I added another ½ teaspoon of crimson. I'm adding small amounts because it's always easier to add more than it is to try and course correct when you've added too much. Again, I got a beautiful purple, but it's still too much in the blue family. So I added 1 more ½ teaspoon of red and ended with the maroon I wanted. Remember that your final coat is going to dry a shade or 2 darker than it appears in wet form. And here it is going over the base of Universal Gray. The coverage is amazing with the FlipNAwesome paints, and we don't have to dilute them with clear coat, so we can get full coverage in just 1 to 2 coats. Our final recipe for this color is 2 teaspoons crimson and 1/2 teaspoon bluebird, or 4 parts crimson to 1 part bluebird if you want to make a larger batch. For example, you can add a tablespoon of bluebird and 4 tablespoons of crimson to make a 2½ ounce batch of this color and store for later use. As always, make sure to allow 4 hours dry time between layers and apply your colors with a soft bristled brush quickly and with light pressure. Follow along to see what I do with this cup and let me know in the comments what other color you want to see.